Introducing the HeartSine 350p Semi-Automatic Defibrillator bundle package from First Aid, Accident and Emergency. So let's have a look and see what's in the pack. Well, number one, as you can see, we have all the signage that comes within this bundle package to make sure that the package is compliant for Australian standards, showing where the defibrillator is within the workplace and how to use it. We also have the monthly checklist, which helps you to keep your defibrillator compliant as per the First Aid Code of Practice, checking it monthly and making sure that it's ready to go and the pads and battery are not expired. With this wall cabinet package, we have the wall cabinet for a solid metal construction, and there's a pressure plate inside this cabinet as well, which sets off an alarm and lets everybody know the defibrillator is being accessed. Check it out. With the pressure plate, it's just a 9-volt battery, which you can turn on and off when you're accessing the defibrillator if you want to for service purposes. We also have a full patient prep pack ready to go. It's got razor, shears, CPR, hard face mask and gloves, all compliant and ready to go to help you prep your patient up when you need it. And of course, the piece de resistance. We have the HeartSine 350p Semi-Automatic Defibrillator. Pressing a button to allocate a shock to a patient is why it's semi-automatic. It has visual prompts on it with lights showing you what to do to the patient during a resus. Its really clear, loud voice prompts enables a rescuer to perform CPR effectively because it has a metronome giving you a beat on how to go with your CPR. This device is tough. It's IP56, which means it's drop-proof, dust-proof, pretty much waterproof as well, and it can handle hot and cold environments as well. So the full compliant HeartSine 350p semi-automatic defibrillator from First Aid, Accident and Emergency, all backed up from a team of 100% Australian defibrillator specialists supplying defibrillators to the Commonwealth Games and Parkrun Australia. Comes with an 8-year warranty for the whole bundle package and after-sales service for the 8-year life of your defibrillator.